In preparation for the holidays, guess what? Nagkasakit ako. Joke lang. We built a Christmas PC for PKT na gagamitin namin for gaming, streaming, and for video editing. Teka, paano nga ba naging Christmas PC? Simple lang syempre. Nagmano ako sa mga ninong at ninang ko para makabuo ng 300,000. Antingin nyo naman, demo. Parang Christmas lights, di ba? Kahit nga hindi ko mga ninong tsaka ninang, minanuman ko pa din. So, I'm gonna show you how we built this Christmas PC with a hard tube liquid cooling system. This is a standalone type of streaming setup, meaning it will handle both the gaming and the streaming. Yes, heavy workload yon, but no problem naman with our Core i9 9900K processor. Although may disadvantage ang standalone type, once naghang ang game and unit, matadamay yung live streaming mo. We paired it with MEG Z390Ace, which is one of the best high-end motherboards ni MSI. Meron siyang 13-phase BRM para masustain ang decent operating temperature pag nag-overclock. It also complies to our Christmas build requirement because this has Mystic Light Infinity feature. Dahil Christmas, dapat colorful. This motherboard can support up to 128 gigs of RAM and up to 4500 MHz when overclocked. So we are plugging in 4 pieces of 8 gig Corsair Dominator Platinum Christmas RAM. To utilize this motherboard's Shield Frozer feature, we chose to use 500 gig Samsung 970 EVO M.2 SSD. The M.2 shield will help dissipate the heat from the memory modules for it has a super thick thermal pad. Kasi nga kapag Pasko, dapat malamig. We used an 80 plus platinum efficient power supply which is Corsair HX1200. Bumili na din kami ng sleeve cable kit for better cable management. Para ma-display ang every component of our build, we chose Corsair 570X Crystal Series. All sides has tempered glass panels and we brought 3 RGB PWM fans also by Corsair. Then kinabit ko na din yung dalawang radiator para ma-visualize na namin ang magiging clearance ng gagawin naming hard tubing. For ultimate gaming and cooling performance, syempre dito ko na nagamit yung pinakamalaking blessing na nakuha ko mula kay Ninong at Ninang. Enter MSI RTX 2080 Seahawk EK-X. Alright guys, before we proceed to the liquid cooling installation, first, we have to check kung na-recognize ba and if it's running okay lahat ng components sa BIOS. Kaso nga na sa sobrang excited, nagkabaliktad yung fans na in-install namin. So we run the BIOS for a maximum of 3 minutes only, baka kasi ma-fry yung CPU sa init. Special thanks to our mobile fan for this one. In order to utilize our unlocked processor, we should have a great cooling system that looks cool as well. So we challenged the enthusiasts within us by designing our own hard tube liquid cooling system. For this build, we chose PETG tubing over the acrylic tubing, simply because it is way easier to bend and it is not prone to shattering. Personally, nakakapagod, pero masaya naman siyang gawin. Kailangan i-measure muna yung distance from hole to hole. It takes a lot of time to build this kind of cooling system, so kailangan mo ng mahabang pasensya para mas maganda ang magiging resulta. Parang yung pasensya mo sa jowa mo. Wala akong jowa. So, yun nga.
Pero di ko kayang bumitaw.
So, dahil sobrang dumugo ang puso ko doon, ginawa ko na ng coolant. Naglagay muna kami ng tissue sa areas na possible magkalik if ever may problem sa tubing installation. Para ma-emphasize ang lighting, nagdagdag pa kami ng NZXT U2 RGB lighting kit and dalawang 250GB SSD with rainbow RGB. O, diba? Parang Virus Paskong-Pasko, diba? Finally, doon tayo sa favorite natin mga PC builders. Syempre, ano pa ba? Hindi yung cable management. Diba? Napakadali lang ng mga tol. Joke lang. Pero seriously, doon talaga ako nahirapan kasi ginugulang ko talaga ng oras yung pag-ayos ng cable para hindi sayang yung space and maganda tignan. Since this is intended for streaming and video editing, we're gonna need 2 monitors. One main and one extended. To complete the setup, we bought a webcam, microphone, and to comply sa RGB goals, we got Logitech RGB Peripherals. And boom! This is our gaming setup. Before performing these benchmarks, we did overclock the CPU from 3.6 GHz to 5 GHz. Overclocking your CPU is good para sa mga task na matakaw sa CPU like video editing. But I don't recommend doing it for regular use since most games doesn't really rely that heavily on CPU. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong build namin, pwede nyo check yung specifications dyan sa video description. And abangan nyo din pala yung Kuya Pa build series namin na ako magbubuo o kaya si Rika. Abangan nyo yan. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And kung ngayon ka lang sa channel na to, please subscribe and hit the bell button para ma-notify ka sa next naming videos. Like, dislike, I don't care. Thank you and GG.